Hey there, and welcome to today's video. If you're tired of Twitch videos autoplaying every time you scroll through the app on your Android phone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to disable video autoplay in the Twitch app. Let's get started now. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Next, make sure you're in the profile section by tapping your profile icon. Then tap on Account Settings. After that, go to Preferences. Under Preferences, look for the option named Video Autoplaying and tap on it. A list will appear. Choose the option Never to completely disable video autoplay. Once you select Never, the change is saved instantly. There's no need to confirm or restart the app. And that's it. Now, Twitch won't autoplay videos on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one.